Did you know that the letters M and M actually stand for Mars and Murray's? The surnames of the company's founders, Frank Mars and Bruce Murray. The company was founded in 1941, and M&Ms became the first candies on the market that didn't melt in your hands thanks to their protected chocolate coating. Greetings, this is Proxima. And in this video, we will tell you how M&Ms are made. But before we begin, I'd like to remind you that every commentator will be featured in a new video. Get ready, we're starting. First, a mixture of ingredients is used to make M&Ms, including sugar, cocoa powder, milk, starch, and various flavorings. These ingredients are mixed in large drums to create a homogeneous mass. Then the mass is transferred to a confectionery machine, which creates small balls from the mixture. These balls then pass through a drying chamber to remove excess moisture and make them hard. After that, the balls are coated with a thin layer of food-grade wax to protect them from moisture and maintain freshness. They are then dyed in various colors using food-grade dyes. Next, the balls are directed to a silk screen where the letter M is printed on each one. Finally, the M&Ms pass through a cooling system to set the colors and wax coating. After this, they are ready for packaging and shipment to stores. In addition, M&Ms can be produced in various variations, including different flavors, shapes, and sizes. For example, there are M&Ms with added nuts, caramel, cookies, and many other ingredients. It is also important to note that the production of M&Ms undergoes strict quality control. Each batch is checked for compliance with quality standards, including appearance, taste, and texture. The Mars Company, which produces M&Ms, is also actively working to reduce its environmental impact. They have reduced the size of their packaging, used renewable energy sources, and improved waste disposal systems. It is important to note that M&Ms are not only a popular product, but also an iconic brand that is part of culture. The iconic colors of M&Ms, red, yellow, green, orange, brown, and blue, are often used in advertising campaigns and packaging design. Mars is also actively working to improve the conditions of production and the lives of those involved in the production of M&Ms. The company has launched the Cocoa for Generations program, which aims to support cocoa farmers in various countries where cocoa is grown for the production of M&Ms chocolate. Overall, the production of M&Ms is a complex and carefully controlled process that involves many stages, from mixing ingredients and creating balls to packaging and shipping the product to stores. Mars is also actively working to improve the environmental and social conditions of its production, focusing on high-quality products and sustainable development. Comment below if you love these sweet candies. Also, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new informative videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon.